Welcome to the world of alternate nostril breathing, or as I like to call it, nose yoga. First, grab your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb, like you're trying to block out your annoying neighbor's karaoke. Now, inhale through your left nostril and imagine you're smelling a delicious pizza from your favorite pizzeria. Next, close your left nostril with your ring finger, because who needs two nostrils open when you can be a one-nostril wonder? Exhale through your right nostril, picturing all your stress flying away like a balloon at a kid's birthday party. Repeat this for several breaths, and soon you'll be balancing your brain like a tightrope walker on a unicycle. The benefits: you'll balance both hemispheres of your brain, reduce stress, and enhance mental clarity, like a superhero with a clear mind. So let's breathe, balance, and maybe even levitate. Just kidding, but you might feel like you can. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a family of 4. Mom, Dad, and their 2 children, Lily and Max. One sunny afternoon, the family was feeling overwhelmed with chores and schoolwork. Mom noticed their frowns and suggested they take a break and breathe together. They all sat down, closed their eyes, and took a deep breath in, then slowly let it out. With each breath, they felt the weight of their worries melt away like ice on a warm day. After a few minutes, they opened their eyes and smiled, feeling lighter and happier. From that day on, they made breathing breaks a special family tradition whenever stress came knocking. And so, they learned that simple breathing could melt stress away, bringing them closer together.
Give me that.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.